The topic of my video is original and not original parts. For example, I took two idlers of the Samsung dryer. The first idler is original. It's broken and squeaks while spinning. Why? You can see that there isn't any bearing, and the roller's bushing turns on the shaft. Bushing will wear more quickly than bearing. The second one is not an original belt idler and costs 2 times less. Look at the roller. You can see a bearing, not bushing. It will provide easy moving for a long time. So, when we choose the parts for repair, pay attention to the quality, not only to the label.